There is so much BS out there when it comes to starting a six-figure online fitness coaching business. Just get started. Just go run into your garden and record yourself talking in a dead tone about your fitness for 10 minutes. Just focus on providing value. Just focus on your product. Cut the bullshit. This might have worked 5 years ago, but not in 2023. Today, I'm going to share with you the 7 secret principles that allow myself and my clients like Auntie to reach $10,000 plus per month and above as a professional online fitness coach. This is the exact roadmap that none of these online business gurus will share with you for less than $1,000, and I'm giving it all away for free. What's up, guys? My name is Eric Anthony Klima, and 7 years ago, I was stuck in a soul-sucking personal training job at LA Fitness, working 12 to 16 hours per day and making absolute peanuts. My life completely changed when I closed my first personal training client online at $1,000. And I guarantee if you watch this video to the end and apply everything, you will see some life-changing results. Now, the first secret principle that got me to 6 figures as an online fitness coach was cleaning up my mindset. Now, I know what you're thinking, Eric, just hurry up and get to the nitty-gritty details on how to get leads. I know you're tired of hearing about mindset. I get it. But have you ever stopped to consider what mindset actually is? These gurus always talk about an abundance mindset, but how can you think in abundance when you work long, tiresome hours as a PT and get paid in peanuts for it? It's fucking ridiculous. The mindset you actually need to cultivate is one where you control your thoughts and emotions. So let me explain. There's something called the double slit experiment. And this is where scientists set up a barrier with 2 parallel slits in it and shone light at it so the light would pass through the slits and hit the screen behind the barrier to capture the interference pattern. Now, why the hell is this relevant? Because when the scientists simply observed the light passing through the slits, the light pattern on the screen changed. Somehow, just by observing the light, its behavior had changed. What does that prove? It proves that your mind shapes your reality. Your inner world shapes your outer world. Understand that what you focus your attention on and the emotion you associate with it will dictate the outcome. If you think about making money all the time, but you hate expenses, more expenses will show up. But if you think about how you love making money and helping people, more of that will show up in your life. You need to cultivate a positive mindset and control your thoughts and emotions. Moving on to the second secret that got me to 6 figures as an online fitness coach, and this is a big one, was niching down. Maybe you've heard of the term niching down before, so you thought to yourself, hey, I am niche down. I help men and I help women to lose fat and build muscle and live a healthy lifestyle. No, you don't. You commoditize the shit out of your offer and put yourself in the same box as every other online fitness expert who all compete for the same $1,000 retainers because you aren't niche down. What do I mean by this? Think of an example where you're selling a productivity course. A general productivity course may be worth something like $250 if you create something high quality. Now, niche it down. Create a productivity course for people who work a 9-to-5. Suddenly, it's worth $500 because you solve a bigger problem of 9-to-5ers always struggling to find time for anything. Now, niche it down a little bit further. You create a productivity course for someone who works a 9-to-5 office job and wants to start a side hustle. Suddenly, now it's worth $1,000 because you can solve an even bigger problem, and the person you solve it for feels like you made the product just for them. Even though you are selling pretty much the same product or service, niching down allows you to dramatically increase the perceived value of your product or service. A specialized offer will always be a commoditized offer. Real quick, guys, if you're enjoying the video so far and finding value in it, please like, subscribe, and share the video with your friends. I'm trying to change the game out here for online fitness coaches, and I can only do that if my content reaches them. Now let's get back to it. The third secret principle that got me to 6 figures as an online fitness coach was charging high ticket offers. One of the biggest mistakes new coaches make is looking at what the market charges and trying to price themselves just below the market average to try and be competitive. Let me promise you, this is a race to the fucking bottom. If you undervalue your services, you will bring clients on board that don't respect you, don't put in the work, expect the world, and give you hell when it comes to payment. If you think about this logically, it is very difficult to help these people because you have very limited time and resources to spend on service delivery because you're barely making a profit. If you're charging anything less than $1,000, you're doing both yourself and your clients a disservice. The price should sting. It should sting the client paying you, and it should scare you asking for that amount of money. The only way that you can change lives is if both you and your clients have an emotional investment into the process. Now, the fourth and most important principle to getting to 6 figures as an online fitness coach is building a brand. I'm sorry to bust your balls here, but the days of recording a simple video while you're taking a walk and putting a call to action in it to close clients are over. It's simply not that easy anymore. It still works, but not to the degree that we want to. The market is just way too saturated for that, so you have to set yourself apart by building an online brand. You need to set up social media profiles on all major platforms, post both long form and short form content, sharing immense value every single day, and engage with your audience. If you want a step-by-step guide process on killing it on social media, one of my most popular videos, how to crush it on social media as a personal trainer, just click here. 5th on our list of 7 secret principles to get to 6 figures as an online fitness coach is mastering sales and persuasion. I don't think the coaching industry has put enough emphasis on just how freaking important mastering sales and persuasion is. I'm not too sure if this has to do with the negative perception that sales has around sleazy salesmen, but sales is one of the most important skills that exist. A salesman is the gateway between a pain point and a product that solves it. As a business owner, you need to master the art of sales and persuasion because a lot of the time, especially when you're starting out, you are both the front end and the back end of your business. You need to understand that people will only buy from you if they know that you are competent, an expert in your field, and enthusiastic as hell about your product. And the only way to communicate those 3 crucial elements is through the art of sales and persuasion. Just a quick one, guys. I'm currently looking for 5 personal trainers who are ready to take the plunge and start their online coaching journey, scaling to $10,000 per month. If that sounds like you, then drop a fire emoji in the comments and I'll reach out to you personally. 6th on our list of the 7 secret principles to get to 6 figures as an online fitness coach is investing into a mentor or growth service. There's an unbelievable freaking amount of skepticism surrounding investing in mentorship and coaching due to cost, trust issues, overhyped success stories, and the belief that mentorship is a one-size-fits-all solution. While skepticism is surely valid, mentorship, when approached thoughtfully, can significantly expedite your path to success. Back when I was getting started, I invested almost every penny of profit that I had into mentors and coaches, which is what ultimately got me to the next level, and I still do. And finally, number 7 on our list of the 7 secret principles to get to 6 figures as an online fitness coach is focusing on building a community. There's a reason that all these successful gurus that you see on a daily basis have some sort of private community. Creating a community around your product or service will dramatically increase your clients' results, as well as how long they will stick with you, keeping those recurring fees coming in. People within the community see each other winning, share advice with each other, hold each other accountable, and engage in a friendly competition. Creating community is the key to scaling to multiple 6 figures and beyond. Creating community does not have to be complicated. You don't need to build the next Hustlers University. It can be as simple as a Discord server or Facebook group or WhatsApp. What is important is you get all of your clients together into a group where they can share the wins and help each other grow. Just remember, the journey of going from 0 to hitting your first $10,000 per month is going to be one of the most difficult but most satisfying journeys of your life. The most important step is just getting started. With that being said, if you've enjoyed this video and found value in it, check out one of these videos somewhere around here, and I hope to see you at the top. Peace.